There remains some uncertainty as to whether corporal punishment administered to girls upon the buttocks constituted standard practice at Hartshead School. Contemporary accounts, however, indicate that hand canings did occur during the same period as the punishment recalled by Pauline. Evidence also suggests that on certain occasions girls were disciplined upon the buttocks by means of the cane, slipper, or hand, at least until the late 1970s. In addition, reports have emerged concerning at least 2 further secondary schools in the Ashton-under-Lyne district, where former female pupils have stated that they were caned upon the buttocks during the 1970s. One particularly striking recollection concerns Harpurhey High School for Girls in Manchester. A former pupil, born in 1958, recalled being struck by female teachers across the bare buttocks between 1969 and 1974. As this was a secondary school, and as the account referred to multiple teachers rather than a single isolated incident, the allegation appeared at first sight improbable. Most other former pupils from the same school described punishments involving the strap or cane upon unspecified parts of the body. Further examination, however, lends a degree of credibility to the claim. Former pupils have described a strict and intimidating atmosphere surrounding physical education lessons and communal showers. Several women expressed indignation at the conduct of 2 female teachers, whose names were repeatedly mentioned in recollections. One former pupil wrote, "That school still fills me with dread. I disliked both the school itself and the physical education lessons. The teachers insisted that pupils enter the showers unclothed, and girls who attempted to hurry through were struck upon the bare buttocks. Such behaviour would not be tolerated today. It would appear, therefore, that incidents of bare-bottom punishment frequently occurred in the context of changing rooms and shower facilities." This pattern is consistent with a number of similar accounts from female secondary pupils of the period. Comparable recollections have also emerged regarding Hartshead High School. One former pupil, Carol, recalled, "I remember an occasion when the entire class was disciplined in turn across the teacher's knee. We were required to line up one after another. Times have certainly changed." Another former pupil, Nisha, described what appears to have been the same incident. "I remember receiving a spanking from her. The entire girls' O-level history class was made to queue and bend across her lap to be smacked." As both women were of approximately the same age, it is entirely possible that they were recalling a single episode. The teacher concerned, remembered as Miss Donnellan, was reputed to have previously belonged to a religious order before joining Hartshead School in 1971. She later retired as deputy headmistress around 2005. Former pupils generally described her as a formidable but fair individual, respected despite the fear she inspired. Several accounts also refer to her use of the cane, both upon the hand and upon unspecified parts of the body. The latest alleged instance appears to have occurred sometime between 1980 and 1985. Another former pupil recalled receiving an especially severe caning from the school's head of girls, following accusations of bullying made by the mother of another pupil. The allegation was later said to have been unfounded. Subsequent discussion established that the punishment had been administered upon the buttocks and was widely regarded as both excessive and unjustified.